Hey guys, wanted to bring you a little video on a side dish, a vegetarian side dish, and this has to do with cabbage. I don't know how many people out there like cabbage, but I love cabbage. Cabbage is healthy for you. It's a beautiful vegetable. So with this, I generated some sautéed bacon. I put some diced onion in there. I sautéed that up and rendered the fat out of the bacon, and then I cut up my cabbage and sautéed that with a little bit of spring water. I covered it with a piece of foil, or you can have a top, and I allow that to cook for about 15 minutes. Cabbage is a tough start, and then it finishes off beautiful and nice and tender. I'm going to give this a try right now. Perfect. So it's about 15 minutes on a medium-high heat. Again, sautéing it. And again, I'm rendering my bacon, getting my fats, onion, then my cabbage, then my spring water, and I'm basically sautéing and steaming. Okay, I'm covering it. Now now that it's ready, just tender, I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, and I like to add a little bit of Parmesan. I'm gonna put that on there, and I'm gonna shut it down, and that's it. Very quick, inexpensive. You know, the bacon is probably about 50 cents. The cabbage is 58 cents a pound on sale today. So I picked up a nice, beautiful head of cabbage, and so you know, a pound of this side dish is about 50 cents. You know, including the bacon. Half pound. This is about a half pound right there. A little bit more. So what a beautiful plate of food for 50 cents. How can you beat that? Put a little cheese on top. I mean, if you can feed people for $1, what a great thing. Okay, maybe the cabbage is not on sale. Is 99 cents max I would pay, but you know, figure $1 a person for this beautiful dish. Let me try this. I feel like I went out to eat, you know, except when you go out to eat, you get robbed. Here, you can make it for short money. Either that, if you have a restaurant, offer this to your customers, they'll love it. Okay, guys? We're calling this a cabbage, bacon, and onion with a Parmesan, salt, pepper. All right, guys? Enjoy.